Okay, everyone. So we are going to start with some probability questions about some spinners. So a spinner is just this thing right here where you would flick the arrow and it would spin around and land on one of the colors. So before we begin, we want to talk about what our sample size is. And so when I'm looking at this spinner, I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 possible um, outcomes. So I know there are 4 for the sample size. And the number of outcomes is going to change depending on the question. So let's look at question number 1. It says, what is the probability of spinning a blue? So if I look at my spinner, I see that I have 1 blue section. So for this problem, the number of outcomes is 1. So the probability is always 1, the number of outcomes that you're looking for, over how many total possible outcomes are there. So the probability of spinning a blue is 1 section out of 4 total sections. Let's look at question number 2. So we're going to go ahead and erase the number of outcomes because this is a different question. What is the probability of spinning a red or a blue? Okay, so I'm going to count how many reds or blues that I have. So I know from the previous problem that I have 1 blue section, and I also have 1 red section. Together that makes 2 sections. So the probability that I spin a red or a blue, well, there are 2 outcomes that we're looking for, red or blue. So that means 2 out of 4. Okay. New question, new number of outcomes. What is the probability of spinning a purple? So I look over at my spinner. I have green, blue, red, and yellow. There are no purples. So the probability that I get a purple is 0. There are 0 purples. Well, let's put that in purple because this is asking about purple. There are 0 purples. So that's 0 out of 4, which is just 0. That would be impossible. Okay, last question. What is the probability of spinning a blue, red, green, or yellow? So there's 4 things that I'm looking for. Blue, red, green, or a yellow. Well, that's 4 outcomes that I'm looking for. Right? Blue, red, green, or yellow. That's 4. So what is the probability? Well, that is 4 out of 4. And we know that 4 out of 4 is equal to 1. And so we see here we have the full range of all probabilities. We have something that is impossible, represented by a probability of 0. Something that is 100% certain that will happen, which is a probability of 1. And then we have some things that are in between. Sometimes it will happen and sometimes it won't happen. So for example, 2 out of 4 or 1 out of 4.